Dear student, class 10, today I am going to discuss about the chapter 1. Actually, it is revision class. The political movement in East Bengal and rise of nationalism. At the midnight of 14 August 1947, the colonial rules of the British Raj ended in India and gave birth of two independent nations called India and Pakistan. What are the name of the two independent nations? India and Pakistan. Pakistan was divided into two parts. How many parts are Pakistan? Two parts. The eastern parts of Bengal was included in Pakistan as a province, and it was named East Pakistan. The other part was called West Pakistan. Since the beginning, the administrative power of Pakistan had been vested in the rich section of the West Pakistan. Actually, the beginning of the administrative power of Pakistan had been vested in the rich section of the West Pakistan. The language, literature, culture, economy, politics, as well as the social system of East Pakistan and created discrimination. The people of East Pakistan organized protest against the injustice and discrimination. Actually, at first, from the beginning of Pakistan regime, the people of East Pakistan actually discriminated and injustice by the West Pakistan, and started agitation and mass movement. The language movement took place to defend the mother tongue, Bangla. The Bengalis of the East Pakistan were united on the issue. Actually, Pakistani rulers first attacked the language of Bangla of East Pakistan. The spirit of the language movement encouraged the people of East Bengal to gradually launch agitation, demonstration and mass movement against the communal rule of Pakistan. Based on the historic 6-point demands, the people of East Bengal voted in favor of the Bengali nationalism in 1970 and gave their verdict for a secular nation named Bangladesh. A national unity was urged on the identity based on language, history, tradition, culture and Bengali nationalism. This national unification is called Bengali nationalism that encouraged people to form a secular, non-communal Bangladesh. This section is very important for your exam. Look, background of the language movement, the role of language movement for flourishing the Bengali nationalism. Even before the creation of Pakistan, the debate arose on the issue of its official language, as Muhammad Ali Jinnah proposed Urdu as the official language of the Muslim League in 1937. When did Muhammad Ali Jinnah propose Urdu as a official language? In 1937. Shere Bangla A.K. Fazlul Haq, a veteran leader of Bengal, protest against it when the establishment of Pakistan became absolutely certain in 1947. The debate again arose. On 17 May 1947, Chaudhry Khaliquzzaman, and in July, Dr. Ziauddin Ahmed, the Vice Chancellor of University of Aligarh, proposed Urdu as the state language of Pakistan. Who are supported for state language of Pakistan, Urdu as a state language of Pakistan? Dr. Ziauddin and Chaudhry Khaliquzzaman. Dr. Muhammad Shahidullah, an eminent linguist of East Bengal, Professor Dr. Muhammad Shahidullah and Dr. Muhammad Enamul Haq of the University of Dhaka and some other intellectuals protest against the proposal through their articles. A cultural organization called Tamuddin Mojlis was formed at the Dhaka University of Dhaka, headed by Professor Abul Kashem, who was the chief of the formation of Tamuddin Mojlis, Professor Abul Kashem, in September. And when did it form? 2nd September 1947. In a meeting of the young worker of this organization, on 6-7 September, it was unanimously decided to propose Bangla as the medium of education and court proceeding. A fierce protest broke out in Bengal when a decision was taken in an education conference in Karachi in December 1947. The Urdu should be the state language of Pakistan. People from all walks of life raised their voice to declare Bangla as the state language. Articles were published focusing on demand. In December, Rashtrabhasha Sangram Parishad was formed. Processing were brought out and meetings were held at different institutions, including Dhaka University and Secretariat. The Pakistan government imposed Section 144. Here is a question. What is 144? It's a act. And banned meeting and rallies. Dhirendranath Dotto. Who was Dhirendranath Dotto? A member of Pakistan Assembly who demanded Bangla along with Urdu and English as the medium of proceeding in the assembly on 23 February 1948. As his demand was rejected, there was a call for a strike in Dhaka on 26 and 29 February. Sangram Parishad, Rashtrabhasha Sangram Parishad was reformed on 2nd March at University of Dhaka, and March 11 was declared a call for Bangla Language Day. And 69 protesters, including Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, Samsul Haq, Oli Ahmed, were arrested while they were demonstrating with slogans, "We want Bangla as the state language." Then, student leader of East Pakistan, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, at the top, was among other political prisoners, demanded of Bangla as a state language. A strike was observed in Dhaka during 12 to 15 March against the arrests and repression. Having no other way out, Khaja Najimuddin, the chief minister of Pakistan, signed an 8-point agreement with the Rashtrabhasha Sangram Parishad. First one, all detainees in connection with the language movement would unconditionally be released. Prime Minister himself will make a statement after a thorough investigation of the police atrocities. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the Governor General of Pakistan, came to Dhaka 19 March 1948 and unequivocally declared in a public meeting arranged at the racecourse ground. Its old name was Sohrawardi Udyan, on 21st March, and Urdu shall be the state language of Pakistan. When he repeated an declaration on March 24 at the convocation of the University of Dhaka, the student had burst into protest and opposed his declaration, saying no. They also spontaneously protested against the declaration made by Jinnah in the racecourse ground. At a certain stage, the Pakistan government proposed to write Bangla by using the Arabic alphabet. The Bengalis protested and agitated vehemently within a few months immediately after the emerge of Pakistan. And Jinnah announced on Khaja Nazimuddin, the new Prime Minister of Pakistan, followed the footsteps of predecessors Jinnah and announced on 26 January 1952 Urdu as the state language of Pakistan in protest against it. Students observed strike on 30 January. Rashtrabhasha Sangram Parishad was newly recognized with Abdul Motin as its new convener. Movement continued and the political parties also joined it. Students observed an agitation on 4th February in Dhaka. A resolution was adopted for a general strike on 21st February, which was to also be observed as the state language. They declared their firm determination to continue the movement until the demand was realized. Imprisoned Sheikh Mujib, while under the treatment of the Dhaka Medical College Hospital, gave the students and the workers of the Awami League necessary instruction for observing the 21st February. After that, Sheikh Mujib and other co-detainee Mohiuddin Ahmed were transferred from Dhaka Central Jail to Faridpur District Prison. As both of them went on a hunger strike till death, demanding unconditional release of the arrested political leaders and immediate declaration of Bangla as the state language. The movement received a grade became more serious. Public opinion was being formed throughout the province. The government imposed Section 144 since 21st February onward and banned all meeting, rallies and procession for a month. The leaders mobilizing the movement deciding to violate the Section 144, a meeting was held in Amtola under the mango tree in front of the emergency of Dhaka Medical College of the University of Dhaka at 11 a.m. of 21st February. It was decided that they would bring out small procession in turn comprising 10 persons in each. How many persons? 10 persons. This procession approach from Dhaka Medical College side by defying Section 144. At first, the police made some arrests, later hurled the tear gas and charge baton at the demonstration. At one stage, as the police opened fire on the protester, Abul Barkat, Jabbar, Rafiq, Salam and others became martyrs and many others received bullet injuries. The news of killing the student spread at Dhaka soon throughout the country. A huge mourning procession were brought out at Dhaka on 22 February. Shafiur Rahman became a martyr due to the police assault. A mass people and the student together erected a Shahid Minar memorial, in front of the Dhaka Medical College on 21st February to make the martyr memory immortal. The Shahid Minar erected first was inaugurated father of martyr Shafiur on 23 February, but the police demolished and Shahid Minar on 24 February. When did police demolish it? 24 February. Poet Mahbubul Alam Chattogram comprised the first poem on 21st February titled Katte Ashini Fashir Dabi Niye Eshechi. Another poem was composed by young poet Alauddin Alaja Sritir Minar on the instant reaction of the incident. Student, youth, mass people, Chattogram, Rajshahi, Rangpur, Kumilla extended support to the language movement. A killing had a far-reaching impact on the mind of the people. Journalist Abdul Ghaffar Chaudhry composed the immortal song Amar Bhai Rokte Rangano 21 February. Singer Abdul Latif composed and tuned song like Ora Amar Mukher Bhasha Kaira Nite Chai. Dr. Munir Chaudhry from inside the prison wrote a drama Kobor, and Johir Raihan wrote a novel Arek Falgun. And as Pakistan government was compelled to recognize Bangla as one of the state language, Bangla was included in the Constitution of Pakistan 1956. Development of nationalism, very very important. The language movement, which was the primary step to develop the Bengali nationalism, united and Bengalis first. The fascination of Pakistan faded away soon. The importance and interrelation between the language and culture become clear and unmistakable to them to build up their own national identity. Actually, people seek their own national identity. They started realizing the significance of politics, economy, education, culture of their own to be recognized as the nation. Martyr Day and International Mother Language Day, very very important for your MCQ. The 21st February has been observing as the Martyr Day since 1953 throughout the country. UNESCO, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, recognized 21st February the Martyr Day of Bangladesh as the International Mother Language Day on 17th November 1999. As a result of initiatives taken by some Bengali immigrants in Canada and diplomatic role played by the Awami League, and there are more than 6,000 languages. How many languages are there in the world? 6,000 languages. Role in the political movement in developing the Bengali nationalism. The people of East Bengal understood the political peculiarities of the state called Pakistan, realized illusion of two nation theory immediately after the establishment of Pakistan. Although the Bengali were 56% of the total population, the West Pakistan dominated every word in running the country. Look, there were three streams in the political parties loyal to Pakistan, like Jamaat Islami, Nizam Islam, Muslim League. Political parties defend the interest of East Bengal, Awami League, National Army Party. Formation of the Army Muslim League. After few months of the creation of Pakistan, the very very important for its CQ, Awami Muslim League broke away from the two nation theory of the Muslim League and emerged as a non-communal progressive party imbibed with the ideal of the Bengali nationalism, and established East Pakistan Awami Muslim League 23 June 1949. Actually, when did East Pakistan Awami Muslim League formed? In 1949. In a conference at Rose Garden, Maulana Abdul Hamid Khan Bhashani and Shamsul Haq of Tangail were nominated as the President and General Secretary respectively of the newly formed party. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman became the Joint Secretary. At the very beginning, the party made a extended plan of activities in the interest of Bengalis. They decided to place some demands before the government, like provincial autonomy, sovereignty of the people, recognition of Bangla as one of the state languages, nationalization of the jute, tea industry, abolition of feudal system without giving any compensation, distribution of land among the farmer, cooperative farming. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was arrested in 1949. He was kept in jail until 27 February 1952, Jukto Front in 1954, and Awami Muslim League to the East Pakistan Awami League in 1959. Actually, these are the total movement, or the date of movement, year of movement, and people face this situation. So the Bengalis and minority ethnic groups had the opportunity to be merged to the stream of nationalism in this time. On the one hand, the party initiated movement outside On the other hand, the member of the National Assembly and the provincial government remained vocal inside the government to perform important role as a pro-people party. So, student, read properly line by line, and if you have any problem, please contact with me.